Hey guys, it's the Train Freak, and the mail train has came by and dropped off several packages. Packages that I have ordered, and some packages that come from other places and even other YouTube channels. So before we get to it, I always want to remind my viewers to fill in the bell so you get future notifications. So that way you will receive all my updates to my videos and everything. You know, whether it's a contest, speaking of the 300 subscriber contest and the Sidetrack Sunday contest are still going on. How-tos, my layout updates, which I'm trying to do every week, and even my live streams with the Sidetrack Sunday team. You will be notified through your smartphone or tablet if you have your mobile devices enabled. So as you can see, we've got a few packages, you know, right here. Total of 5, a couple of boxes, and we're going to show you what all they are. So, packages, I ordered one off of eBay. One was an item that was on back order from Micromark from one of my previous mail calls from a while back. 2 items are from my brand new TeeSpring store, and these are items that you know, I plan on doing contests with later down the road. Not right now, but later. And then the last one is an item that I purchased from another YouTube channel to support them, and I will give them their shout out here in a little bit. So I've got my son Aaron here, my yard master.
Hi.
For the layout, and he's actually going to be the one that's going to open the boxes and see what cool stuff we have. So the first one up, we're going to do the eBay purchase.
Ooh.
And every yard master has to have one of these. So Aaron, if you want to go ahead and open it.
Like just
Yep.
on this?
Yep. Pull that up.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Okay. Well, what's in there?
Let's see. We got some sort of bubble thingy.
All right. Good. I can save that.
I don't know what that is. We got a little bit of instructions, some sort of card, and we got a truck for a layout. It says Cotton Belt Route.
Okay. So we got a truck.
Ooh, that's pretty neat.
So I guess we need to show them what kind of truck this is. This is not just any kind of truck. This is what would be called a yard truck for the yard master.
Yeah.
This is for him to drive around. So, Aaron, why don't you go up there and show the camera a close-up of the truck?
Of course, I'd love to.
So.
Anyways, this is a... Hold up a second.
There you go.
This is a Cotton Belt Route truck. It's not just any ordinary truck, but it's a black, one of my favorite colored trucks.
Here you go. Show them the front of it.
Show them the front of it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wait. I get confused with the camera sometimes.
So I'm thinking this is an old Ford truck, maybe.
Yeah. Can they see the tailgate? I feel like they
turn it around and show them the tailgate. I don't know if the tailgate goes down or not, but yeah.
Yeah, let's see it.
So,
yeah, it doesn't really go down.
Let's see if I can see what kind of truck this is. I'm thinking it's an old Ford.
Yeah. Or it's probably a Chevrolet that
model.
has the patterns of Cotton Belt.
It could be a Chevy truck, but I'm thinking it's a Ford. So, really, really, really cool truck.
Yeah, but we don't know what kind it is.
So that was my eBay purchase.
Yeah.
And that's just my receipt and a business card. So, Aaron, why don't you set that off to the side?
Yes.
You set it in that chair right there. There you go. Now come on back. Alright, so let's do the next one. This is a item that I ordered off of Micromark a while back. And it's been under back order. There you go.
And ta-da! It is a...
You don't know. Yeah, it's a tool.
It's some sort of tool, but I never seen a model train tool, anything like it.
So this is a tool that I could have used, you know, on my live stream. These are decal tweezers.
Oh my god!
So it's got a little angle. I'm gonna see if I can put it right. There we go. My beard makes a good contrast. How about that?
Is that sort of like nail clippers?
Nope.
Instead it's tweezers?
These are tweezers. These are for decals. So that way when you put your decal in the water, you can easily scoop it out and set it.
Yeah, but it kind of reminds me of nail clippers. Because, you know, clip, 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 clip.
So I'm curious to see how these work. Because even though I've got the two STS 2020 cars 99% finished, there's actually one last thing I've got to do to them that I haven't done yet. And that's on the front and the back end. Still needs STS 2020 on the cars on, you know, up at the top above the couplers. So, to make it finalized. So I might try to use these later on that.
Can I open this
So,
one?
alright, so that was my Micro Mark back order purchase.
That's pretty neat.
Alright, next we're going to do my TeeSpring. So yes, I do have a TeeSpring store. And I went ahead and just ordered a couple of pieces off of there. And I am hoping that in the future, we will have some contests where I'm giving away TeeSpring merchandise or swag.
Hey, Dad, I want to
Oh, alright, you go ahead and open it.
Okay.
Now be careful, because I think this one's breakable.
Okay. I'll be super duper careful.
Alright, you be super duper careful then.
Sort of in there.
Yeah, it is.
And
What is it?
it's the Train Freak logo, a coffee mug.
A coffee
it
mug.
says, I follow the Train Freak on YouTube.
There you go.
Yeah. That thing's total. That thing you have.
Ooh, that's actually on there. Very, very good.
Wait, is
So-
that a sticker?
No, it is not a sticker. That is actually...
You're saying they actually sort of printed that or whatever?
Yes, they did somehow. So, Claude, who is Cowboy and Timberline Railroad, bought one of these off of his off of my TeeSpring, and I think he got his in before I got mine in. So, and he actually showed it to me on Back on Track. It was either on their Saturday episode or one of their Beans live streams, but he's the only other one that's got one of these, and I think it's pretty cool.
Oh my gosh.
So, I might be giving one of these away here pretty soon.
That's definitely some merchandise there.
Alright.
Can I open up the next two packages?
Yep, I'm going to let you open it, but I'm going to use the knife to cut it open.
Yeah. Because I'm not really a fan of knives just yet. But
No,
I will.
it's okay. It's
Yeah,
okay.
I will. I will be a fan. I will get used to those.
Yep. Alright. What did I get, Aaron?
Oh, I can tell by the lettering that we have a t-shirt
You
with
gotta show it to
the
'em.
Train Freak logo. Also, I'm sorry I'm blocking my face, but it's for a purpose.
Yeah.
Reasons.
So awesome. I follow the Train Freak
On YouTube.
on YouTube.
But instead of a mug, it's a shirt.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. You got like two things with your logo
If
on
you
it.
like, I've got a TeeSpring store.
Yes.
All right.
There are like two things you have at the same time.
Now the last package I get to open. Because the Back on Track crew is doing a special fundraiser. And Steve Arnold is the one who shipped this to me. And so I think it's a keychain. And it's a special customized keychain, and I think Steve's the one that's making them.
And
So
it's some sort of note. Oh wait a minute. We got something.
So the keychain is actually
You got a keychain.
Steve. When you see this, correct me if I'm wrong, but is this what they call 3.5 gauge rail? See if I can hold it like that. Y'all still can't see it.
Yeah. I can hold it up close if you'd like. You know what?
I'm gonna slide around and see if I can hold that up there. There we go. I think this is what he calls 3.5-inch rail.
Or maybe it's upside down.
And this is aluminum. And he basically drilled a hole on the top of it. And it is a keychain. And he gave me a key ring to thread on there, which I'm not real good at doing, but... Oh, I got it. First try. How about that?
I love the stuff you got.
Ta-da! Here. There we go. The beard always gives a good contrast. So, well, y'all, that's all I got.
That's actually pretty cool.
Back on track if you want one of these. This is the channel that's doing the keychains. That is Steve Arnold, Claude from the Cowboy and Timberline Railroad, Alley Chat, and then of course Shannon, you know, with his hair over in Australia. So, which is, he runs the channel Back on Track. So I highly suggest y'all check that group out. They have a live stream every Saturday morning. I don't know the time off the top of my head, but during the week you might see them come up live, and they pretty much let anybody on their show that wants to be on there, and they're just on there goofing around and talking about things. So, alright, well, y'all be safe out there. I hope you have a great and fabulous weekend, and happy railroading.
Bye.